Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 14th May 2025. Tata Steel has allocated Rs 15,000 crore for capital expenditure across its India, UK and Netherlands operations in financial year 26, with 80% dedicated to ongoing Indian projects. The company is expanding capacity in India, transitioning to electric arc furnaces in the UK and focusing on decarbonization and efficiency improvements in the Netherlands. A growing number of Indian accountants are shifting away from traditional corporate paths, with 63% now aspiring to become entrepreneurs, according to ACCA's Global Talent Trends Survey 2025. The survey, which covered over 10,000 professionals across 175 countries, reveals evolving career goals driven by a desire for flexibility, purpose, and global opportunities. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, has issued a consultation paper proposing key regulatory changes aimed at enhancing flexibility and investor participation in the Alternative Investment Fund, or AIF, space. The two major proposals include the introduction of co-investment vehicles, or CIVs, and relaxation in norms governing advisory services by AIF managers. SEBI has proposed to enable AIFs to offer co-investment opportunities to their investors through a separate vehicle known as a co-investment vehicle. This co-investment vehicle would be structured as an independent scheme of the AIF, thereby providing a formal and regulated framework for such investments. SEBI's proposals are currently open for public comments. If implemented, these changes could provide greater investment flexibility, deepen the AIF ecosystem, and enhance India's appeal as an investment hub. HDB Financial Services, the non-banking financial arm of HDFC Bank, is likely to request an extension from the Reserve Bank of India for its September 2025 deadline to go public. As an upper layer NBFC, HDB Financial is required to list on stock exchanges by September under RBI guidelines. The company filed its draft red herring prospectus in November 2024 for a Rs 12,500 crore IPO, which remains pending with the SEBI. The telecom companies will see a 10 to 12% increase in their average user revenue in the financial year 26, says a report by CRISIL Ratings. The increase in revenue is backed by the strong internet adoption and data usage in the rural areas. In the past 4 years, rural areas in India have seen a higher internet penetration rate than urban areas. The report says that while urban internet penetration increased 13%, the rural areas clocked a higher 19%. State-owned banks saw a 26% profit surge in financial year 25. However, net interest margins may face pressure this fiscal year. Banks like State Bank of India, Canara Bank, and Punjab National Bank anticipate lower margins. Geopolitical factors and potential US tariffs contribute to uncertainty. Credit growth forecasts are also tempered. Overall bank credit is expected to grow. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.